Hey YouTube, this is Wyatt at Main Meadow Sanctuary. Today we're going to be talking about go-kart buggy type deals and the ones that have an ignition and a starter on it. So we recently picked up this one for our son. It's been running around pretty good, and then the starter seemed to go out on it. So I'll back it up, give you guys a view of it. So it's a 2014 Buggy made by, I don't even know what the company is, some Japanese or Chinese one. Anyways, so the starter goes out. I'm going to show you guys how to start it when your starter goes out. So you go over here to the ignition, and then we'll turn the key. Then you can hear that's not turning over. So this will be how to get it to turn over. So you're going to need something like this. Some type of thing that rubber grips for your hands. Then we're going to come back here and you're going to locate your starter here. So your starter is going to be this. You're going to hear the clicking, and then to get it to turn over, you're going to go like that. And you're going to connect it. So you're just going to bridge the connection of the negative and the positive on here on the starter to get it to turn over. Ours seems to have some trouble with fuel, so we installed electronic choke, so kind of help it go. Usually it helps if I got one of the kids in there pressing the button, but I don't think I have any kids handy right now, so we're gonna get it to turn over. Oh, that could be it. That getting disconnected. There we go. I even fired it up. So that's how you can start your go-kart, your buggy, when the starter goes out on it, so you can still ride it around fine. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're just about 100 or so away from our goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And then you can join our Facebook group, Main Meadow Sanctuary. Let us know in the comments if there's any other videos you'd like to see. I'll keep this one short so we can help you guys out. And I can look at this right now and tell you it is Kandi USA Inc. is the manufacturer of this particular go-kart. But I can pretty much guarantee you they're all built pretty much the same when they have the ignition and have a starter on the back. So if your starter goes out, don't worry, there is a way to just get it started for you so you can run around while you wait for your new starter to arrive in the mail, or just make do without it. So you guys take care, remember to subscribe, hit that like button. We'll see you guys soon.